आज मेरा बिगेस्ट सिंगल डे लॉस था. 15,000 gone in one session. 4 days of profit wiped out in a single day. And the worst part, I knew exactly what was going to happen today. I could see the resistance on the chart clearly. I knew what trades to take. I knew what to avoid. And still I completely failed. I want to openly call today a failure. Not a bad day, not an off day, a failure. Because hiding it would be dishonest to you and to myself. This video was not easy to record, but that is exactly what this channel is about. Real trades, real mistakes, real lessons. Let's talk about what happened today and more importantly, why. Today is Wednesday, 14th of May 2026, Nifty non-expiry session. Nifty opened flat today between previous day high and CPR. Now here's the thing. CPR was narrow today and previous day high and R1 were located very close to each other. In trading, a narrow CPR is one of the clearest signs that the market is growing to trend for the day. So today was actually a perfect setup for directional trades. I knew this, I could see this clearly, and the beginning of the session, I exactly knew what I had to do, and still everything that followed was wrong. My first trade was in 23,600 CE sell. The logic was actually sound. Previous day high, CPR weekly R2 and CPR daily R1 were all converging at the same zone. 3 strong levels at one point, a very powerful resistance area. Unless this level was broken decisively, market should reject from here and fall. Perfect logic, but my entry was completely wrong. The first candle was forming an upper wick close to previous day high, but it had not even touched previous day high yet. I entered without waiting for the candle to close, without waiting for a proper rejection to confirm. Premature entry again, and my SL was also larger than usual, 2700, which is more than what I normally keep. In the same candle itself, my SL got hit, 2700 gone, and then market started going down again. After my SL hit, market started falling. The candle was touching R1 and going down, but the candle had not even closed yet. No confirmation, no setup, nothing. Seeing the market move without me, FOMO kicked in immediately. I re-entered the same trade, no logic, pure FOMO. SL hit again. Combined loss in 23,600 CE was around 5,300. And then things got even worse. Seeing 5,300 loss, I went into complete revenge mode. I immediately took another trade. This time 23,600 PE. The so-called logic, if this resistance breaks, a big move upside will come. But notice the word if. If is not a trading strategy. There was no confirmation, no real setup, just a feeling that market might go up. I call this the Lagta Hai strategy. No confirmation, no logic, just a feeling. And feelings are never a reason to enter a trade. Initially I set a SL of 10 points. But when the trade started going against me out of ego, I removed the SL. I told myself market will come back up, just wait a little longer. This is one of the most dangerous things a trader can do. Removing your SL mid-trade because you don't want to accept the loss. That is not trading, that is gambling. And I know this, but in that moment none of that mattered. Luckily at some point I came back to my senses. When Nifty was breaching the 50 EMA, I exited this trade. Loss in trade 3 was around 9,000 rupees. 3 trades, all losses. Total loss for the day around 15,000. My biggest single day loss ever. 4 days of consistent profit wiped out in one session. Premature entry, FOMO re-entry, revenge trade, SL removal. All in one day. And I am not going to hide that. Now I want to talk about the real reason behind everything that happened today, because it wasn't the market. It wasn't a bad setup, it wasn't lack of knowledge. My kids are unwell and last night I was up the entire night taking care of them. No sleep, complete exhaustion, and yet I sat down to trade this morning. That was my first mistake and it happened even before the market opened. Trading requires a clear mind, sharp decision making, and emotional stability. Today, I had none of those three. I was also in a rush. I just wanted to finish trading quickly and get back to taking care of my kids. But the ego said, profit बना के ही जाना है, loss लेकर नहीं जाना. And that ego cost me 4 days of profit. अगर आज मैं ट्रेड नहीं लेती, 4 दिन का प्रॉफिट सेफ होता. The market did nothing wrong today. I did. So what was the lesson from today? The first and the most important lesson: never trade when you are not mentally and physically stable. No sleep, kids unwell, exhausted, distracted, in a rush. I ticked every single box of should not be trading today and I still traded. Because ego said profit बना के ही जाना है. That ego cost me 15,000. Trading is 90% psychology and 10% technique. Today my technique was fine, my psychology was completely broken. The second lesson: premature entries always come from impatience. I knew the resistance level clearly. I knew I had to wait for confirmation, but sleep deprivation took away every bit of patience I had. The third lesson: FOMO after a loss is one of the most dangerous states to trade in. First SL hit, FOMO re-entry, second loss. When a trade goes against you, step away from the screen first. Breathe, reset, then decide. The fourth lesson: never remove your SL. Your SL should always stay where you placed it, no matter how much the trade goes against you. Removing your SL is not confidence in your trade, it is ego refusing to accept a loss. और ego बहुत महंगा पड़ता है. Going forward, if I am not mentally and physically stable, I will not trade. No exceptions, no ego. Because no single trade, no matter how perfect the setup, is worth trading in a wrong state of mind. ये lesson 15,000 में आया. It was a failure, but failures teach what successes never can. And sharing this failure openly, that is exactly what this channel is about. और अब let's see what tomorrow brings. After a day like today, coming back to the screen tomorrow is not easy. Mentally आज का दिन बहुत heavy था. 15,000 का loss is one thing, but knowing that you made every mistake that you knew you shouldn't, that feeling is harder than the loss itself. Tomorrow I will sit down again, fresh chart, fresh mindset, fresh start. No revenge, no ego, no rush. Just the market and whatever it has to offer. आज एक failure था. But failures are only permanent if you let them define you. मैं कल वापस आऊँगी, better rested, clearly minded and with a lot more respect for what this market demands from you mentally. Let's see if I can come back from this psychologically unsettling day and prove to myself more than anyone else that one bad day does not define the trader I am becoming. This video was not easy to share. But if even one trader watches this and decides to step away from the screen on a day they are not okay, then this 15,000 loss will have some value. Have you ever traded sleep deprived or in revenge mode? Do let me know in the comments section. You are not alone and neither am I. Because at the end of the day, this channel is all about learning and improving together. अगर इस वीडियो से कुछ वैल्यू मिली, feel free to like the video. और अगर आपको ये रियल ट्रेड ब्रेकडाउन्स पसंद आते हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. लेट्स इम्प्रूव आवर ट्रेडिंग वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ ग्रेट डे.